The objective of this lesson is to learn indentation in Excel. So if you see this table, basically I have two teachers and then I have the students under this teacher and their grades and so on. Now this table doesn't look very nice because it's hard to read the students under the teacher, etc. So what you could do, you could use indentation to fix this problem. Indentation means having spaces before a text. So obviously one way to do this is to click on John and then go to the formula bar and start typing space, and then you have something like this. But this is not the best methodology to do it because it will leave spaces next to your text, and this is not what you want to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to select those three students, and then we're going to click here. You go into alignment. So this one was under home and then this arrow. You get the alignment, and then here you have ident. So if I click on one, I will have one left ident, and if you see, my three students have moved one to the right, and now it's easier to read them. The next thing you could do is you select your other student, for example, and here in this home ribbon, you have this menu. So if you click here, you'll have one indentation. The more you click, the more the indentation will increase. And if you want to decrease the indentation, you can click on this button. So now our table looks much better.